Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill says she will go to court to increase cooperation between the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office and ICE.
In 2013, OPSO and two former detainees reached a settlement because they were held in jail for ICE for an extended period of time. As Chris Joseph reports, the settlement agreement limits who OPSO can hold on ICE's behalf for those 48 hours.
In December, we watched ICE agents suit up before they arrested 4 men. At least 3 of them had charges in Jefferson Parish. The agent's field office director, Melissa Harper, said the agency gets limited help from the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office next door because of the federal settlement. OPSO can only hold detainees for ICE that are facing murder, rape, treason, kidnapping, or armed robbery with a firearm charges.
We're examining all possible pathways to see if we can go back into court and have the judge vacate the order or dismiss it as no longer being necessary.
Attorney General Liz Murrill asked for just that in a motion on Thursday.
There's no reason why the parish prison should be refusing to cooperate with ICE. ICE has a job to do, and I think they need to just let them do their job.
Murrill referenced a new state law which requires Louisiana law enforcement agencies to fully cooperate with ICE on holding individuals. An attorney for one of the former detainees in the settlement says the AG wasn't part of the settlement and can't change it. She says losing the settlement poses risks to civil rights and safety.
Immigrants are more likely to go to local law enforcement, to report crimes, to serve as witnesses, which is a really important function for these systems to work, rather than having people living, behind a shadow and afraid to call for help.
Sheriff Susan Hudson's chief of staff, John Williams, says the sheriff has and will follow the law.
Does following the settlement make OPSO and Orleans Parish safer, in your view?
I think that following the law is very, very important. I think that Sheriff Hudson has a commitment to public safety, not only in Orleans Parish, but in the state of Louisiana. I think that Sheriff Hudson has made a continuing commitment to do everything required by law in order to make the individuals of this parish safe. So absolutely, I think Sheriff Hudson's actions are consistently aligned with public safety and keeping folks safe.
Hudson previously resisted the idea of holding additional individuals for ICE in the jail because of jail overpopulation.
We can't take that on. It's too big of a load.
Her office did not say how she views the AG's filing.
That was Chris Joseph reporting. For context, 48-hour detentions start after the jail would normally release a detainee for bond.